Or are you wasting the time in thinking of what font you can use for what design, or for this design which font I need to choose? You have landed in the right video. Hi, this is Raghu, UI UX designer. This video we're going to talk about the font and how can I choose the font for the design. With all my experience, I can say that what font I can choose for this design. For this design, what all fonts make my design good. These are the points which keep on running into my mind when I used to design. I thought this video will really helpful for the designers and for the graphic designers and any other design inspiration guys who thought they need to design something for their website or for the mobile application. This video will really work for them. I designed the complete page for the UI UX and finally I will think whether shall I go for this design or shall I make a change for this font, or this font will work or this font will not work. So I thought of explaining these points to you in this video. First of all, why do we need typography? Typography really adds value for your design. Not only your colors or your shapes or any of the images makes beauty or adding advantage to your design. No, typography adds the main advantage for your design and it looks pleasing to the eyes. How can you choose the typography? The main intention of typography is nothing but you need to make the users to understand that this design is so and so and it should be readable. I have classified the fonts into two categories. The first one is classic fonts and the next one is graphic fonts or latest fonts. Either you go for this classic or you need to go for this graphic or latest font. It's all up to you. So what is it? What is classic? I have attached in this video, I have shared a link which has 25 classic fonts in which you can choose, and this font has been there for years and years and lot of designers choose the fonts from this. These are few fonts are free and few fonts are cost. Most of my design and most of my projects has been involved in this classic font. I know few of the designers who just took one of the font and they have been used for 6 to 7 projects. The ultimate goal for the typography project, that is for the font what you're using in the project, is to make the user to understand what is your project is, and it should be more readable. Just making them to understand what is your project is about and just not deviating through their fonts what you're giving them, and it makes more advantage for your project. For example, if you're seeing YouTube, Facebook, Google or Microsoft, they already use the font but the user experience is completely different. But you notice one thing, their font doesn't have that much of change into their content. That's because they don't want the customers to confuse them with the typography what they have. It's all about the content what they give. So these are the classic fonts what they use. I hope you have viewed the 25 classic fonts. If not, the link is below. Click, just update yourself with all those classic fonts. The second point is graphic fonts or the modern font. You work for them is one of the site which is my complete design inspiration or my font inspiration, where it has lots of font which really work for them. They have graphic content, they have the font in all their categories, but it's a paid one, but it's really good. If you're a freelancer looking for any designs or any projects what you're looking which you need very interesting way in graphic designing for the font in favor of, you can go to the design backing. It really serves a good thing for you. I have attached the website link in this video. If you want to know more about this website, just go to the website and just you can categorically see all the font which is available there. In my college days and in my initial days of design, I used to work with the font which is already downloaded or with the font which is very free available. When I start downloading the font or when I start buying the font from one of the website, I found that font there is some difference in that. The font comes with a lot of predefined items like the paragraph should be like this, the base of different paragraph and the spacing should be like this. These all has been predefinedly added for all the font. So the font which you are downloaded doesn't match the quality of the font which you are buying it. So I'm not degrading the font which is for free. It's all about the quality of the presentation what you want to do. It seriously adds advantage for your design projects. So this is the way I used to design, and these are all the sites and these are all the places where I used to choose the font. It's all up to you deciding which font you need to use for which of the projects. This is my work process, how I used to choose my font and where it is classy or where it is modern font. This is how I used to choose, and I have shared few of the inputs for from where all you need to choose the fonts and where you can download. So just make use of all these things. If you have any different style of working or downloading software from any of the sites, just mention in the comment below. If you really like the video, hit the like button. If you think this video is really helpful for any of your friends or any of your family members, share to them and subscribe my channel to get more inputs about design and design oriented. See you there in another video super soon.